Hello YouTube, I'm on the road again to Basingstoke. The customer is complaining about high water bills. The water company was involved, and according to them there is water leak within the customer's boundary. So we're gonna go and investigate. Enjoy watching. Definitely not this one. So I'm gonna turn the mains off now in the house. Mains off. Let's check the water meter again. If it's still spinning. It certainly does. Right, so water leak is definitely within the customer's boundary. Stopped. Yeah, so it's confirmed. Leak is definitely within the customer's boundary. You can see between the stopcock in the house and the on-street stopcock. See if you can lift the floorboards in the hallway. It's a very tiny hallway, but I think it's the suspended floor. Fingers crossed, because it bounces. It sounds hollow to me. If not, then leak detection equipment required, which is on order. There's no obvious sign of ground sagging or anything. Could be anywhere. Could be under the house. First, let's get that door removed, I guess. Slab. Not ideal, is it? There's one little hole. Apparently someone's been testing it previously. Welcome to my crib. This is where I keep all my spare parts. But now I need a specific tool, which is dampness meter. See if that shows anything useful for us. Only cheap one from Amazon, but does the job. Let's see what we can find. A hot day. I couldn't find anything so far. No luck. Customer was afraid that the digging might be involved. Yeah, but it is. So we'll have to book another appointment as it's quite a noisy job. And the customer has a little baby. The last thing to check today is I'm gonna check in the water meter well. Make sure there's no leak on the outlet of the stopcock. There are a couple holes, one there where the pipe exits the chamber, and one there, just enough to put my camera in, see if I can spot anything. The idea today was to prove that the leak is not under the property and whether the digging is involved, which it is. The customer who expects plumber to come and do that for free, then now there's something wrong with you. All these tools, diesel, all other expenses and insurances, plumbers, expertise, plumber's time, scorching heat. I can go on and on. If you want it free, don't even bother calling us. What? This ain't mobile phone. It's electric shaver. You're allowed to hold this in your hands while driving. Steak slice, my favorite.
Herzlich willkommen bei der Hermann Severin GmbH. Sie rufen außerhalb unserer Bürozeiten an. Sie erreichen uns von Montag bis Donnerstag durchgehend von 8 bis 16 Uhr und freitags von 8 bis 13 Uhr.
Jetzt sprechen Sie Deutsch. Keep watching. To be continued.